Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the BANGSON compact portable washing machine and the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G. These two machines are designed for portability and convenience, making them perfect for small living spaces like dorms, apartments, and RVs. We'll look at their capacities, operational features, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BANGSON compact portable washing machine stands out with a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This makes it ideal for larger laundry loads. In contrast, the Elevon QD Mini PWMG Y1G has a smaller capacity of just 5.5 pounds, making it more suitable for quick washes or smaller items. If you frequently do laundry for multiple people or larger items, the BANGSON may be the better choice. The BANGSON offers multiple wash modes including soft, normal, and a soaking function, providing versatility for different laundry needs. It also features a 15-minute wash timer and a 5-minute spin timer. On the other hand, the Elevon is designed for simplicity, with a rotary timer controller that allows you to set wash and spin times up to 10 minutes. While the BANGSON may require a bit more setup, it offers more options for tailored washes, whereas the Elevon is perfect for those who prefer straightforward operation. In terms of additional features, the BANGSON comes equipped with extended power cords and inlet pipes, allowing for flexible installation in various settings. It also has a removable filter for easy cleaning. The Elevon, while more compact and easier to store, lacks these additional features, focusing instead on basic functionality and energy efficiency. If you value flexibility and additional features, the BANGSON is the way to go, but if space saving is your priority, the Elevon shines. In conclusion, both the BANGSON and Elevon portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The BANGSON offers a larger capacity and more features, making it suitable for heavier laundry needs, while the Elevon is perfect for those looking for a compact and easy-to-use option. Consider your specific needs and living situation when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.